Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which one of the following is located in the Bastar region? Option A, Bandhavgarh National Park. Option B, Dandeli Sanctuary. Option C, Rajaji National Park. Option D, Indravati National Park. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, Indravati National Park. So Indravati National Park is located in the Bastar region. The park is situated at the distance of 97.4 km in Bastar. So you should know about Bandhavgarh National Park also, where this national park is located, about Dandeli Sanctuary and Rajaji National Park also. So it's not possible to read each and every national park, but you can refer important ones. So this was all about question number 1. So now let us discuss question number 2. Before discussing question number 2, I'd like to tell you that you should read about important flora and fauna species of national park, wildlife sanctuary, or protected areas. You can refer that as well. And you should also know about endemic species, which is famous for a particular national park or wildlife sanctuary. So this was all about question number 1. So now let us discuss question number 2. When you travel in certain parts of India, you will notice red soil. So what is the main reason of this color? Option A, abundance of magnesium. Option B, accumulated humus. Option C, presence of ferric oxides. Option D, abundance of phosphates. So you can pause this video and you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, presence of ferric oxides. So red soil in India is largely found in Deccan Plateau. Red soil is less clayey and sandier in nature and has a rich content of iron and small amount of humus. Red soil is also known as yellow soil. The redness in the soil is due to ferric oxide. Is second largest soil found in India, from south of Bundelkhand to north of Rajmahal Hill. So I have already told you that types of soil are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. In 2021 prelims examination, UPSC framed one question on soil. So the question was on black soil, I think. So you can refer that question as well. So the crux of this question is you should read about types of soil. So this theme is very important for UPSC prelims, and this theme can repeat in upcoming prelims examination also. So that was all about question number 2. Now let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following pairs: wetlands and confluence of rivers. First, Harike wetlands, confluence of Bias and Satluj. Second, Keolo Deo Ghana, so that is confluence of National Park Banas and Chambal. Third, Koleru Lake, it is confluence of Musi and Krishna. So which of the above pairs is or are correctly matched? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option A 1 only. So Harike wetlands is at confluence of Bias and Satluj. The Keladev National Park, formerly known as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Bharatpur, is at the confluence of two rivers, the Gambhir and Banganga. And Koleru Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes in India, located in state of Andhra Pradesh. And Koleru is located between Krishna and Godavari Delta. So this was the question that is framed from river system. So these topics like wetlands, mangrove forests, so they are very important, and you should also refer the important rivers such as Ganga and its tributaries, likewise Yamuna, and you should also know about tributaries of Indus, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. So these rivers are very important, and in 2021 prelims, two questions were framed from river system. So one question was from northern river system, and second one was from south. So you can read about them, these rivers, in detail. So that was all about this question. Now let us discuss question number 4. Rivers that pass through Himachal Pradesh are option A Bias and Chenab only, option B Bias and Ravi only, option C Chenab, Ravi and Satluj only, option D Bias, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Yamuna. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, Beas, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Yamuna. So rivers like Beas, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Yamuna passes through Himachal Pradesh. So likewise you can read about which rivers passes through Uttarakhand, likewise Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Punjab, Haryana. So you can additionally cover these topics also. So let us discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements. First, in India, red panda is naturally found in the western Himalayas only. Second, in India, slow loris lives in the dense forests of northeast. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B 2 only. So red panda is found in mountains of Nepal, northeastern India, China, Bhutan, and slow loris lives in dense forests of northeast, dense forest of Assam. Red panda is found in eastern Himalayas, China, Bhutan, and slow loris in the dense forests of northeast Assam. So you should know the important biodiversity of India and about neighboring countries also. So you should know the status of IUCN status of red panda, slow loris, and you can also read about endemic species which are very famous. So that's it about this video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.